Peace of mind and body. 16. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on a case of suicide, which was caused by depression and severe grief. It is important for Muslims to strive in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by using the blessings He has granted them in ways pleasing to Him, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, as he has guaranteed a good life in both worlds for the one who behaves in this manner. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
This good life will protect a Muslim from severe grief, depression, and other extreme moods and mental disorders which can destroy a person's life. Even though Muslims will face difficulties which will sadden them, but if they obey Allah, the Exalted, this sadness will never become extreme and affect their entire life on a long-term basis. This is because a Muslim who strives in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, has an excellent reason to continue moving forward through their difficulty, without giving up and turning to depression and even suicide. For example, they look forward to the countless reward which will be granted to the patient. Chapter 39 Az-Zumar, verse 10.
Indeed, the patient will be given their reward without account, i.e., limit.
Whereas, the Muslim who does not strive in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, and only claims the title of being a Muslim with their tongue, will not be granted this attitude and a good life. And whenever they face difficulties, it will drive them to extreme moods and mental disorders which will destroy their entire life. This can even apply to those who only fulfill the basic obligatory duties and fail to utilize the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, such as their time, health and wealth, as they disobey Him through these blessings.